Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video I'll share with you guys my first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, so let's check it out. Now, starting from the design, looking at the back, like other Note phones, the phone is made of glass with the aluminum frames at the side. Then the cameras are placed at the back on a vertical position on the left side of the phone. And like the S10 series, there is the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor right in front of the display, which is still the best compared to many optical fingerprint sensors that I've tested. Then the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus comes in 3 colors for you guys to choose from. Where the Note 10, there's the Aura Glow, which gives you a spectrum of colors upon reflective lighting, and then there's also Aura Black and Aura Pink. Then the Note 10 Plus comes with Aura White, Aura Black and also Aura Glow. Now, as for the phone screen, the Note 10 has a 6.3-inch dynamic AMOLED screen, which is still ranked the best looking screen, although there's no crazy refresh rate. And then the Note 10 Plus has a bigger 6.8-inch screen size, and both phones have a real edge-to-edge display with almost no bezels. And when it comes to the screen resolution, the Note 10 comes with a 1080 by 2280 resolution, and the Note 10 Plus comes with a higher 1440 by 3040 pixels. Then the front camera is placed right in the middle of the phone with the laser cut-out Infinity O display compared to placing it on the right on the S10 series. Now, as for the phone spots and buttons, there are the volume rockers on the left together with the power button, where if you hold that button, it brings out Bixby, and what's new is that button no longer turns off the phone. Instead, you will either need to go to the notifications menu to turn off the phone or hold the volume button and the power key to turn off the phone. And looking down below, there's the usual USB-C port and one of the 2 stereo speaker grills, as one is available right on top of the screen. And of course, you'll find the S Pen over there. Then the SIM card slot is right on top of the phone, where the Note 10 does not have an expandable storage option, but the Note 10 Plus has an expandable storage of micro SD card up to 1TB. Then the Note 10 has no headphones jack, the first time in history for a flagship phone from Samsung. And looking at the camera specs, there are 3 similar cameras on the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, where one is a 12 megapixel variable aperture of f1.5 to f1.8 to f2.4 aperture, and then there's also the 12 megapixel f2.1 aperture telephoto lens and a 16 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide lens. But the Note 10 Plus has an added TOF 3D VGA camera to get some nice great depth shots, and also a 3D scanner where you can use it to scan objects to create a 3D image, which you can convert it into a video or to do tracking movements and even printing on 3D as well. Now, this also means that the camera allows you to apply bokeh to videos through the live focus video, and then there's also a unique zoom in to sounds, which I'm really eager to test out all these cool features once I get my hands on it. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Then looking at the front camera, both has the same single 10 megapixel f2.2 aperture lens, which is 26mm wide. Then as for video, like the S10 series, it has a super steady high quality video recording at UHD 2160p, and the front camera also has a high resolution of UHD 1440p up to 30 frames per second. Then as for the insides of the phone has an Exynos 9825 chipset here in Malaysia, and the Note 10 comes with a single variant of 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage, where the Note 10 Plus comes with a huge 12GB of RAM with either 256GB or 512GB of storage. And in terms of software, like the other flagships or even the latest A series, it comes shipped with Android 9 Pie with Samsung's brand new One UI, which is currently my favorite Android skin, especially for a huge screen device like the Note 10. Then of course the highlight is the S Pen, where firstly it comes with an improved battery, where I did not have any battery life issues with the Note 9, so that's great to know. And then you can also now convert handwritings to Microsoft Word to even PDF documents. There's also new motion gestures where you can perform many commands within the camera app, like switching lenses and also zooming in with the S Pen, and the S Pen also has a cool feature called AR Doodle, where you can use the S Pen to doodle or draw on your subject in real time while and even before taking a photo. So yes, stay tuned for my full video review where I'll go in depth on the S Pen features. Then the Note 10 comes with a battery capacity of 3500 mAh of battery, and the Note 10 Plus comes with a massive 4300 mAh of battery, where the Note 10 Plus also supports super fast charging at 45 watts. And both of the devices comes with a 25 watt fast charger. And yes, once I get my hands on the phone, I'll do a full battery test when I use the phone as my daily driver. Now, as for the phone's price here in Malaysia, the Note 10 is going for 3,699 ringgit for the 8 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage, and the Note 10 Plus will be priced at 4,199 ringgit for the 12 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage, and 4,799 ringgit for the same RAM but a higher 512 gigs of storage. And I'll leave links down below for you guys to check out the pre-order, as it starts from today until the 18th of August, where if you pre-order now, you'll get some amazing rewards, including a free memory upgrade for the Note 10 Plus, so do check it out. So guys, with this, do let me know what you guys like to know about the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus at the comment section below, and as usual, I'll reply them in my full video review. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my quick first impressions video and hands-on review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. And if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.